Hey guys, happy Monday. I'm Kimberly and this is and we started a 10-day vegan challenge today actually. So we wanted to share some of our recipes with you and some tips and tricks along the way. So we would love to have you with us. Come join us on our journey, all right? And if you think of anything that you'd like to see, let us know. We'd love to share it. Okay guys, so this is the lineup for today's lunch. We have all plant-based vegan and protein for our vegan mac and cheese. So stay tuned for the recipe. Alright, start by adding our chickpea Banza pasta to the pot. Okay, and then we're gonna add a little bit of this plant-based Wayfare Vegan Butter. And next we're going to add some of our organic sweet potatoes to the butter. All right, and as the sweet potatoes cook down, we're gonna take a little bit of this water, cooking water, starchy water from the pasta. It's gonna help the sweet potatoes cook down. And then we're gonna add some salt and some pepper to the potatoes, some onion powder, and some garlic. Let that cook down a little bit more. Alright, when your pasta is ready, you're going to take it off. Alright, and then keep that pasta on the side while you cook up the rest of the mac and cheese. Alright, and then we're going to go in and add some vegetable broth into the sweet potatoes. Alright, and then you're going to add in some dairy-free yogurt. It could be almond, it could be cashew, whatever you like, plain dairy-free. And some nutritional yeast. This happens to be a nutritional yeast that's like amped up with a bunch of other plants and superfoods like garlic, but this is the one that we're going to use. But if you just have regular nutritional yeast, that's fine too, or any other flavors. So you're going to add some of that. And next you're gonna add in whatever vegan plant-based cheese that you prefer. We're gonna use this one that we found at Wegmans. And then we're also going to add in a little bit of the field roast cheese just to give it a little bit of diversity and a variety of different cheese flavors. All right, and then you're gonna just mix all of that together, making your cheese sauce. Get it nice and creamy. Voila! Your vegan cheese sauce. That's awesome. Alright, so next you're just going to take your pasta. It goes right into hot. All that. And that is that. That will be lunch. Some delicious vegan mac and cheese. And so here we have the final product. Here is our vegan mac and cheese.
Let's try it out.
Yep. Let's see.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh man, oh man. That is good. It's mac and cheese Monday.
Hey, 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 hey. It's mac and cheese Monday.